certificate of appreciation presented to the member of the social committee for your untiring efforts and invaluable contribution as a member of the social committee in fostering activities that promote unity and camaraderie among the workers of Adventist Hospital Davao. Your dedication and hard work has significantly strengthened the bonds within our workplace. So given this 19th day of December 2024 at the covered court of Adventist Hospital Davao. So we would like to give each of them their certificate. Isa pa yun para okay. So, actually, naami Supreme. Naami Supreme. So, ayaw na dyan kaayo. Dili lang dyan kaayo mo ma-excite. Basi Supreme lang di ay na. Yes, this is for the 2024 na mga social home. Sige. Okay. Ini kay Ma'am Nice ni. Ma'am Nice, murag kung imuhang tanawon, gamay-gamay ni imuha, pero isunod lang siya sa tubig muna-muna. Okay. Colin Gilbert Somoso. Is he around? Okay. So, salamat kayo. Yung pinili. Sige, nilihan niyo yung say nasa doon. Wait, karoon na ako nakita sa Gilbert. Okay, so, welcome to our 2024 Social Committee members. Picture.